Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to export WhatsApp chat to another phone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, same as transfer Android to Android using Google Drive backup recommended. Okay, to on all phone and open WhatsApp. Okay, go to settings, chat and chat backup and tab backup. Make sure you resign it into Google account and backup in clouds media if desired. Okay, or on new phone install WhatsApp and sign in with the same phone number, and WhatsApp will promote it to restore chat history. Tap restore. That's all. To export WhatsApp chat to another phone. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.